Galaxy S9 once again proves Samsung's formula of a gorgeous 5.8-inch screen, sexy dual-curved design and terrific camera for well-lit shots can't go wrong. Whiplash-fast speeds, wireless charging and water resistance complete the package. And it looks stunning in purple and blue. The bad low-light photos often look blurry and lack the fine texture and contrast of competing phone cameras. The Galaxy S9's camera frequently, accidentally switches between modes. 3D avatar software is tragically bad and a new face unlock tool is inherently insecure. The Galaxy S9 costs more than last year's Galaxy S8. The bottom line, the Galaxy S9 is a nice incremental upgrade, but its low-light camera isn't a game changer and some new features fall far behind the iPhone XS8 owners can skip, but it's a good upgrade from older Androids. Net Mobilephone a Samsung Galaxy S9. It's Galaxy S9 Day. On Friday, Samsung's Galaxy S9 and larger, slightly stepped up Galaxy S9 Plus, $839.99 at Amazon.com, went on sale across the globe, though some people who pre-ordered their phones had already received them. In the US, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile and Sprint slashed prices on the full retail cost of the phone, scrambling to outdo each other for the most attractive deals. See the full list of Galaxy S9 deals here, but remember that they're only good for a limited time, and carriers often don't share what that expiration date is. At this point, you're probably asking yourself, is the Galaxy S9 the correct hot, new phone to buy? I've been testing both the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus for over 2 weeks now. And I'm 85% certain that these beautiful, powerful phones are two of the best that money can buy. However, the remaining 15% of me hangs on to the nagging disappointment that the world's largest Android brand could have done even better. Let me explain why and why, for some of you, my minor objections may not matter. From a bird's eye view, I see top-of-the-line specs combined with excellent design, internal speeds, and outdoor photography. Samsung's hardware remains at the top of the market, which makes the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus excellent all-rounders that can handle the usual roster of activities and last a workday on a single charge. These are all superb reasons to buy a Galaxy S9 if you're upgrading from an older phone such as the Galaxy S7, OnePlus 3, iPhone 6, and so on. Skip it if you have a Galaxy S8, $559.99 at Amazon.com. It's too close to make the update worthwhile. When you dive into the details, some nagging problems snap into focus that could break the experience for certain people. For example, the industry-first